Hey guys, welcome back. So I just prayed Jummah. I'm in the parking lot of the masjid. It's snowing. Um, I did have a flight lesson scheduled. Had to cancel that because of the snow. I thought you guys would like to see how it looks like. So enjoy the video as I drive from the masjid to my apartment home, which is about 8 miles, maybe, probably. So let's see how it looks like, and let's see how it feels to be driving from Federal Way all the way to Auburn when it's snowing, right in the middle of a snowstorm. got home, like I literally came home, parked my car over there. Um, Something which takes me about 15 minutes to drive took me close to 45 minutes to drive home. And this is how it looks like, and it's getting worse. That's how my car looks like. Look at that. So I put the wipers up because I didn't want them to get frozen. My number plate is covered in snow. It's building up. Hey guys, so this is how it looks after it snowed last night. I have my measuring tape with me. Let's see how many inches of snow we got. That's my car, covered in snow. I left the wiper blades up. So let's see how many inches of snow we got. We got about 4 inches of snow. My schools. So I put my hand inside. That's how deep that is. Snowball. Still hasn't melted. Still powdery. Let me try to get Bitch Slap back out here again. He's hiding here. Come on. My cat, for those of you who don't know, doesn't like to go out. He scratched me. He ran outside. He's angry.